Cold patch. Break the traditional way. Specifically designed for children aged 3 and above and adults. It adopts a natural herbal formula and contains no hormones. Deliver the effective ingredients through a Q-point application, which is safe, mild and does not irritate the stomach and intestines. Stick the patch on the Danshung Q-point, the Huya Q-point, and Faishua Q-points both sides. It can quickly relieve symptoms such as fever, nasal congestion, and coughing. You can use it while sleeping, going to school, or at work without any delay. One patch can be continuously used for 6 to 8 hours.